Hi, in this video we are going to see the huge number of assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university guys. Almost here the vacancies are there in all the subject, okay, almost, and while coming to the salary as per the UGC norms. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty jobs in the government university. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them and you can apply from any state guys. Okay, here there is no rule that only that particular state candidates has to apply. So from all over the India, you may apply from any state. Okay. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. Here the university is Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. So here you may check down the notification just released on yesterday itself guys. So MSUB invites online applications for the post of temporary assistant professors and various other teaching posts in the Department of Faculties, colleges, institutions that are to be filled up purely on temporary basis for an academic year 2021 to 22. And whoever the desirous candidates are that shall be required to apply online from 11th May 2021 to 31st May 2021. Okay. So whatever the universities or the departments or the colleges or the institutions under this MSUB, so from all the colleges or institutions here the vacancies are announced. Okay, almost most of the departments are covered here. So definitely you might be having opportunity here. Okay, let us check the departments one by one guys. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this advertisement or the notification. And coming to the list of departments, academic programs under various faculties, colleges or the institutions. So Faculty of Arts, Archaeology and Ancient History, Library and Information Science, Linguistics, Marathi, Persian, Urdu, Arabic, Philosophy, Political Science, French, Sociology, Russian and the Gujarati. And coming to the Faculty of Commerce and the MK Amin Arts and Science College and the College of Commerce. So here the few departments are mentioned, you may check down guys. Accounting and Financial Management, Banking and Insurance, Business Economics, Commerce and Business Management, Cooperative Management and the Rural Studies. And coming to the Faculty of Education and Psychology, here the first one is Education, Psychology, Educational Administration, Center for Advanced Studies in the Education. And coming to the Faculty of Fine Arts, Applied Arts, Sculpture, Art History and Aesthetics, Painting, Graphic Arts and Museology. And Maharaja Ranjit Singh Gaikwad Institute of Design, Accessory Design, Ceramic and Glass, Communication Design, Craft and Design and Moving Images. And coming to the Faculty of Family and Community Sciences, Clothing and Textiles, Human Development and Family Studies, Food and Nutrition, Family and Community Resource Management, Extension and Communication, and Chetan Balwadi, Women Studies Research Center, Women Studies or the Gender Studies, and Institute of Fashion Technology. It is higher payment program, fashion communication and the textile and apparel design, garment technology, PG diploma in fashion retailing and merchandising. And coming to the family and community sciences, foods and nutrition. So food nutrition, PG diploma in food service management, PG diploma in applied nutrition. And family and community sciences, interior design, PG diploma in hotel interior. Faculty of Journalism and Communication and Faculty of Law, Faculty of Management Studies, MBA, Faculty of Performing Arts, Indian Classic Music, Instrumental, Tabla, Dance, Dramatics, Faculty of Pharmacy. And coming to the Faculty of Science and MK Amin Arts and Science College, Botany and Chemistry, Geology, Mathematics, Physics and Zoology, Biochemistry, Geography, Microbiology. And coming to the Environmental Studies as well as the Computer Applications and Life Sciences. So Life Sciences from Dr. Vikram Sarabhai Institute of Cell and Molecular Biology. And Social Work, HRM. And coming to the Faculty of Technology and Engineering, Architecture, Applied Mechanics, Electrical Engineering, Civil, Mechanical, Metallurgical, Material, Textile, Chemical, Computers, Water Resource Engineering and Management. and Master in Urban and Regional Planning, and in Humanities and Sciences, Applied Mathematics, Applied Physics and Applied Chemistry. And coming to the Polytechnic College, Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, Petrochemical, Applied Mechanics, Applied Physics, Chemistry, Applied Mathematics and Information Technology, and Computer Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering and Architectural Assistantship, and Oriental Institute. Okay, and here English and Statistics, Law, Sanskrit, Economics, German, History, Physical Education, Computer Science. Okay, so these are all the departments, guys. See, you may check down. Huge number of departments are there from the multiple colleges. So it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. And coming to the minimum eligibility conditions in the Faculty of Arts, Science, Commerce, Family and Community. Okay, eligibility 55% of marks in the master's degree, as well as UGC, NET or SLET or SET or CSIR NET qualification must be there. And NET, SLET or SET qualification is not required for such master's program wherever the UGC is not conducting the NET examination. Okay, so these are all things, guys. And coming to the Family and Community Sciences, ME or MTech in Textile Engineering with first class, and post-graduation in Design and Technology with the first class. Faculty of Education, so here eligibility is good academic record in the master's degree, 55% of marks, okay, is enough, and UGC NET or SLET qualification is also required. And coming to the Education and Psychology, so good academic record in master's degree, apart from that one, UGC NET or SLET or CSIR NET qualification must be required. And in Performing Arts, Music and Dance discipline, the same thing, guys, same qualification. And coming to the Drama discipline, same qualification. And coming to the Faculty of Fine Arts, same qualification, master's degree with 55% of marks, along with that one national eligibility test or the state eligibility test qualification. And coming to the Physical Education and the Sports, so here also the almost same qualification is mentioned. But anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. You have to once check down the individual eligibility conditions for your department. But because here, apart from the PG as well as the NET qualification, here the few more points are also mentioned here. So you may check down, guys. Okay, but almost all the what we call eligibility conditions is master's degree. Apart from that one, the candidate must qualify the national eligibility test qualification. So most of the things are mentioned only that one. Okay, and coming to the Technology and Engineering, graduation as well as the post graduation, and good academic record with first class 60% and master's with at least 55% is required. And coming to the Master of Computer Application, post graduation, okay, is required, and here good academic record. So for few departments the UGC NET qualification is not required, guys. Okay, but few departments the UGC NET qualification is required. So total these are the in detail notification regarding the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda from the temporary assistant professor vacancies. Here the pay scales and all these things as per the UGC norms, guys. Okay, so the candidates who are interested in this one, so please try to apply, and then remember the last date is 31st May 2021. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide